Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and pairing. Place AirPods in your ears, open Control Center or Bluetooth settings, and verify they show as connected. Once done, make sure firmware is current. Updates fix noise performance. You do this because an unpaired or low-battery AirPods 3 can behave unpredictably with noise features. Next, prepare the device you'll use, iPhone, iPad, or Mac, and keep it unlocked so you can change audio modes quickly. Now you enable noise cancellation. On iPhone or iPad, press and hold the volume slider in Control Center until the noise options appear, then tap Active Noise Cancellation. On Mac, click the volume icon and choose Noise Cancellation. Adjust by toggling between Active Noise Cancellation and Transparency depending on environment. Active cancels steady sounds, while Transparency keeps you aware. You do this because finish by fine-tuning. Play familiar music and a spoken audio sample. Listen for reduced background noise and clear mids. If vocals sound muffled, toggle modes once or twice to recalibrate. If noise cancellation fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button until the light flashes and repair them. This resolves most software glitches. Also make sure your device's Bluetooth is stable and close by. Interference or distance often causes dropouts rather than hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.